Hello and welcome to this quick 10-minute neck release. You can do this practice anywhere, sitting on your couch, on your favorite chair, or on the mat. Because we do sit a lot, it's very important to find a way to fully release the neck and our shoulders. So we'll just start by simply pulling the side of our neck here on the left, and then bringing the other arm, which is the right arm, behind your back, and then very, very gently pulling on the side. You can add a bit of movement here as you lean more to the left. Perfect. Nice and gentle here, starting up. Now let's switch the hands. So we're going to be bringing our right arm on our head, very, very gently stretching the side of the neck. You should feel it right here. And this arm actually also helps a lot to feel the stretch a little bit more intense. Perfect. Our neck is very, very gentle, so everything we do has to be very, very slow and intentional. So let's now curl in. I'm going to take a nice seated position here and bringing the chin down. You might even feel the stretch all along your back. The deeper you go down here, stay here for a few breaths. You can even curl in a bit more. And then bring your chin up. Should look something like that. Okay, I'll face you again. Bring the chin down, and then up, and then turn your chin to the right and try to touch your right shoulder. Just like that, you'll feel a very, very nice stretch right here on your neck. Try to drop that shoulder down, don't bring it up. Just try to touch it as much as you can, and then gently roll the chin to the other side. Again, feeling the stretch on the opposite side. Try not to lift the other shoulder, but bring kind of your neck on a diagonal here. And very, very good release here. I'm going to do a few more rolls down like this. Very, very slowly. There's no need to rush. Perfect. And bring it down and roll again. Perfect. In the next exercise, it's very important to notice where you look. Bring your arms behind you. I'm gonna gaze up, hold there, and then bring your gaze down on the floor. And with that, your neck follows. Look up. Try to bring your chin as high as you can here, and then bring down. On the next time, looking up, we're gonna now bring our elbows closer together. So looking down, and then bring elbows closer in. Don't go too deep just yet. We'll do it on the next round. Come on up, gaze up, and now we can dive in a little bit deeper, bringing our elbows together, curling back in. See whatever range feels comfortable for you. Looking up again, spreading your elbows nice and wide, and then curling it back in. Beautiful. And one last time, look up, spreading the elbows and coming down. Stay here. Relax your arms on your knees. Perfect. And now let's straighten the back. And we'll do little waves in the front. So I'm just going to dive deep in, create a little wave with our back. Our back is directly connected to the neck, so it's very important to pay a lot of attention to that as well. So again, let's curl in and then dive in the wave motion. Try to articulate your spine as much as you can. Bring and diving with the chin down. Wave up. Perfect. A few more times here. Dive in and up. Beautiful. You now can increase the range, kind of moving back even more as long as you don't feel it too much in your lower back. And then dive in and curl. Lean back a little bit. You can even gaze up with your chin up as well. And then last time, gaze in. Just like that. Perfect. Nice. You can switch your leg position now, just so they don't get sore. And of course, we also kind of exercise different parts of our stretches here. Let's bring the right arm across on your left knee and feel very, very nice shoulder stretch on here. You can put your other arm on your head and kind of help it to turn your neck a little bit more to the left. Very, very gentle here. Looking to the left, and then bring your gaze down as your chin also comes down. Again, looks like a tiny motion, but it should feel very, very good on you. Perfect. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So crossing the arm down over. The other arm goes on your head, looking down or to the side. Again, you should feel it all in the back of your, this time, left shoulder blade. Perfect. That hand is just kind of a guidance for you. You don't have to really push on your head too much. Just use it as your guidance. Perfect. Awesome. Release nice and gentle here. You can shake it off a little bit. Beautiful. Touch your neck a bit. Feel how much more loose it became. A little self-massage is always a good idea. Perfect. And now release down. You can roll your shoulders forward a few times just to feel maybe there is a difference now, that you feel a little bit more loosened up, and then shoulders can roll back as well. Perfect. Moving side to side and then opening your chest up and gaze up. Perfect. Hold and stretch here for a bit, and then bring your hands on your knees and curl in. One more time. Spread your arms up nice and wide, and then curl back in. And one more time, gaze up. Beautiful. And release, curl back in. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome. Let's stay here with your hands on your knees, and we're just gonna roll our neck full circle this time. Before it was like a half circle, half range. Now that we've warmed up that part, we can confidently but very, very slowly move our neck clockwise, and then whenever you're ready, switch the sides on here. Beautiful. You don't have to go full range, touching all the sides, but try to make it even and have imaginary perfect circle if we're having a little top-down view here. Perfect. And final stretches on the sides to the left. You can even have your arm again behind you or across, and then stretching to the right. I'm gonna bring the arm across this time. You can try it behind if you like that better. Whatever works for you today. Inhale and exhale to release. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope your neck feels better, and I hope to see you next time.